Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you the best settings for the Alienware AW2725DF monitor for both daily use and gaming. For general use, open the monitor menu and set preset mode to Creator. Set color space to sRGB and gamma to 2.2. Use brightness between 70% and 85% depending on your room lighting, and set contrast to 75% for a balanced image. For competitive gaming in titles like CS2, Valorant, or Apex Legends, switch preset mode to FPS. Set dark stabilizer between 0 and 20 depending on shadow visibility. Use brightness between 60% and 80%. Set response time to fast for smoother motion. Turn off adaptive sync or G-Sync, as it may cause flickering on some setups. For best color depth, open NVIDIA Control Panel, go to Change Resolution, and set output color depth to 10 bpc if available. This helps improve color gradients and overall image quality, especially in HDR and content creation. In Windows, if you use HDR, adjust the HDR slider based on your preference and run the Windows 11 HDR calibration app for better results. Thanks for watching.